19 people have been killed, including 9 women and 5 children who died in a stampede at New Delhi railway station when surging crowds scrambled to catch trains for Mahakumbh in Prayagraj. According to officials, the incident took place around 10 p.m. local time on Saturday when an unprecedented rush of passengers were waiting to board trains to Prayagraj on platforms 14 and 15. The stampede occurred after 2 trains to Prayagraj got cancelled, resulting in chaos on the platform. The situation spiraled out of control as people rushed to board the special train amid the sudden surge. Some passengers fainted, which sparked rumors of a stampede, which led to further panic and multiple casualties. Passengers were angry over this incident and questions are being raised on the railway administration.
वहाँ पे 16 नंबर पे अलाउंस हुआ कि 12 नंबर पे आएगा, तो 12 नंबर पे आए। कुछ देर के बाद बोल दी अलाउंस हो गया कि 16 नंबर पे जाएगा। इसी चलते भगदड़ हो गया, वहाँ पे जाम हो गया, आदमी मर गया चपा के। इधर से पब्लिक भागी, उधर से पब्लिक भागी, दोनों में टक्कर हो गया चपा के। पुलिस भी कह रहा है कि अपने से जाओ। ट्रेन में आदमी बोला कि सर चढ़ा दीजिए, तो बोला मैं नहीं, आप लोग खुद से चढ़ो। मैं लोग खुद से चढ़ूंगी, उन लोग की नौकरी क्यों मिला है खुद से चढ़ने के लिए? चाकू भी मारने लगे, जेब भी काटने लगे।
अच्छा, यहाँ कुछ लोगों ने जेब काट लिया?
हाँ, काट लिया। मेरे हाथ पे कुछ लग गया, चाकू लग गया हाथ पे।
और उसके बाद लोगों को यहाँ से समय पे ले जाया गया? यहाँ जो लोग जो घायल थे
सबको ले जाया गया, सब झाड़ू मरवा के जूता चप्पल सब हटा दिया गया। यहाँ का पुलिस बोल रहा है कुछ नहीं हुआ है, कुछ नहीं कैसे हुआ है, मौत हो गया, कुछ नहीं।
हम लोग 12 लोग करीब जा रहे थे। कहाँ जा रहे थे? कुंभ के लिए जा रहे थे, प्रयाग के लिए। लेकिन हम ये रात को 10:10 की ट्रेन थी, प्रयाग एक्सप्रेस। लेकिन हम तो प्लेटफार्म तक पहुंच ही नहीं पाए, पहले ही जीने पर ही डेथ हो गई।
मेरी मम्मी थे।
आपकी मम्मी थी? कहाँ? आप क्या प्रयागराज ही जा रहे थे?
नहीं जी, हम अपने घर जा रहे थे।
क्या बोला आपसे?
वो डेथ हो गई है।
जब वो मूवमेंट करवाने के बाद वहाँ वापस जा रहा था तो मेरे को जाने का रास्ता नहीं मिला, और तब मैंने यहाँ पे नीचे उतर के और प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 14 पे, इवन 13 पे भी, और मैंने अपने खुद से एक अनाउंसमेंट किया कि भारतीय सेना की तरफ से, प्रशासन की तरफ से ऐसा बता रहे हैं कि 2-3 दिन 4 दिन जो भी हो रुक जाइए, आपको जगह नहीं मिल रही है। एक ही ट्रेन में, एक ट्रेन में 5000-10,000 आदमी एक टाइम पे नहीं जा सकते हैं, एक टाइम पे नहीं जा सकते हैं, ऐसा मैंने बताया, अनाउंसमेंट भी किया। लेकिन कोई मानने को तैयार नहीं है। एक जगह से 2 जगह, इस ट्रेन पे नहीं मिला उस ट्रेन में मिलेगा, उस ट्रेन में नहीं मिला इस ट्रेन में मिलेगा, इस तरीके का एक सिनेरियो बनाया गया, और जिसका परिणाम ये हुआ कि इतना बड़ा भगदड़ हो गया और इस तरह का यहाँ पे घटना घट गई।
Initially, the Northern Railways CPRO denied that a stampede had occurred, calling it a rumor. However, soon after the incident, 4 fire engines were sent to the spot and additional security forces were deployed to control the situation. Railway Protection Force personnel and Delhi police officials assisted in evacuating the injured, who were rushed to nearby hospitals for medical treatment. Later, NDR team also arrived at the station.
क्राउड का अंदाजा हम लोगों ने लगाया था, और सिचुएशन में बता रहा हूँ, जो पूरा टाइम फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द टाइम जिसमें 10 मिनट में हुआ, उसमें ज्यादा लोगों का आना, उसके अलावा 2 ट्रेन का डिले होना। बाकी ये मैटर जो है एग्जैक्टली जो फैक्ट फाइंडिंग है वो रेलवे की तरफ से फैक्ट फाइंडिंग होगी। हमारी तरफ से जो है, हमारा आज के दिन का काम एज ए GRP हमारा है फॉर द इंक्वेस्ट एंड अदर प्रोसीडिंग, वो हमारी यूनिट कर रही है।
अब हम मिले हैं जो इंजर्ड हैं, यहाँ पे पूरा उनका इलाज चल रहा है और पूरी देखरेख के साथ इलाज चल रहा है। कई लोग हैं जिनको 4-5 पेशेंट्स हैं जिन्हें कुछ देर में डिस्चार्ज भी कर दिया जाएगा।
Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav announced a high-level investigation into the incident. In a post on social media X, he also confirmed that 4 special trains were arranged to manage the unexpected rush, with additional trains on standby. Railways have announced compensation of 10 lakh rupees for the families of the deceased, while 2.5 lakh rupees compensation will be given to those seriously injured, and 1 lakh compensation has been declared for those with minor injuries. The situation at the railway station is under control now. Passengers have been accommodated on special trains, and normal train movement has also been resumed at the station. Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed sorrow over the incident. In a post, he said he is distressed by the stampede at New Delhi railway station And the authorities are assisting all those who have been affected by this stampede. President Draupadi Murmu also posted on social media saying she is deeply anguished to know about the loss of lives in a stampede at New Delhi railway station. She extended her condolences to the bereaved families. And now our correspondent Dharmjot Kaur spoke to our eyewitness who saw the incident firsthand from the ground. Take a look.
Those who've been here all night have a completely different story to tell about what really transpired on late Saturday night in a stampede that killed 18 people. We're going to talk to one of the people who've been present here and witnessed the entire situation. दादा, आप यहाँ पे पूरी रात थे, आप एग्जैक्टली बता सकते हैं क्या हुआ?
बस पुल के ऊपर जो है ना, पब्लिक इतनी ज़्यादा घुस गई थी कि आदमी निकल ही नहीं पा रहा था पुल के ऊपर। प्लेटफॉर्मों पर कोई नहीं, प्लेटफॉर्म नॉर्मल था एकदम, यहाँ ज़्यादा भीड़ नहीं थी। बस पुल के ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ होने से जो है भगदड़ मच गई यहाँ पे।
क्या अधिकारी कोशिश कर रहे थे लोगों को?
अधिकारियों ने तो बहुत हेल्प करी है। अधिकारी तो यहाँ शाम से ही रुके हुए थे, सारा प्रशासन, सारे अधिकारी सब यहीं पे थे। लेकिन वो भी बेचारे क्या करते, जब पब्लिक इतनी हो गई थी तो वो कहाँ तक कंट्रोल करते। NDRF तक बुला रखी थी उन्होंने तो यहाँ पे, लेकिन वो कुछ कर नहीं पाए बेचारे, क्योंकि अगर ज़्यादा सख्ती करते तो फिर भगदड़ और ज़्यादा मस्ती, तो वो कंट्रोल करने में लगे रहे। बस बतेरा उन्होंने डैमेज करा, हो नहीं पाया उनसे बेचारों से।
As you heard from the vendor who's been here the entire night and witnessed the entire incident, he says that authorities really tried hard to control the crowd, but the number of people was so huge and the situation turned out to be so unprecedented that people weren't necessarily listening to the authorities or paying heed to their instructions, which is why unfortunately chaos erupted, and that led to the tragic stampede, as we know.
Now, for more on the tragic incident, we are now being joined our correspondent Dharmjot Kaur from the New Delhi railway station. Thank you so much for joining us on air, Dharmjot. We just heard you talking to one of the witnesses, and they do talk about the people, the crowd that seems to be unprecedented. Last time we were talking to you, talked about how the bridge became the epicenter of the whole incident. How have the whole incident transpired so far, and how does the ground situation look like as of now?
Well, Jyotsna, things are fairly normal now. The platform where I'm standing is the same platform where the entire crowd rush was witnessed, as we can see the visuals from last night. But trains are coming and going as per schedule. Nothing's really changed on that front. People are getting off and getting on as if it's business to normal. So no schedule of the trains have been impacted per se with respect to what happened last night, although investigation is still underway. As we spoke earlier, there's a two-member high-level committee that's been formed by the railways to probe and find out what exactly happened. Now, Jyotsna, if you would have heard in the eyewitness account that we just played out, people are saying that authorities really did try to ensure that people do not lose control and they do not start running around. Rumors are not spread. However, it was a very difficult situation given the wave of people that came down from the bridge and reached the platforms. Now, this gives rise to a very pertinent question over here. If the authorities did try and do everything they could present on ground to try and control and curtail the situation, where is it that authorities went wrong? Why is it that there was such an upsurge in the number of people who were present over here? It's important to note, Jyotsna, when we zoom out a little bit, the New Delhi railway station is a massive railway station. It has 16 platforms. It witnesses a footfall of almost 500,000 people every single day. More sometimes if it is festival season or peak holiday season. So given the fact, how is it that one or two platforms witnessed this kind of incident and people ended up losing their lives, unfortunately? A lot of questions are being asked around why is it that so many tickets were booked. Did authorities end up overbooking the trains? That's what people here are also talking about. Is it that people came here last minute with unconfirmed tickets to try and just get on the train and reach the Mahakumbh? These are some of the questions that have people disappointed and angry, which is why they're trying to figure out what exactly happened which led to this particular situation. Because clearly many are saying it wasn't the fault of the authorities who were trying to make people understand to not panic and run. But somewhere something has gone wrong, and that's what the investigation really needs to find out.
Absolutely. Now, that's where I come to my second question. Now, has there any sort of special arrangement that the railway station are now looking at after this incident has transpired?
Well, there is one minor change that I noticed at the entry point of the railway station, Jyotsna. It's minor, but it's very, very significant. Usually, as I mentioned before early in the morning, this particular station has two main entry points. One is called the Paharganj entry point, one is called the Ajmeri Gate entry point. Now, when people enter, there's usually a checkpoint with respect to security checking for the luggage that comes in that people bring to the platforms. But tickets are not checked at the entrance. Tickets are checked by the ticket master once you board the train. However, today in the morning, we saw a couple of officials standing at the entry point of the railway station, checking tickets for people before they were even allowed to step in. So clearly, some preemptive measures have been taken now in the aftermath of the incident that happened to ensure that something like this doesn't happen again, which also does signal to what I was talking about just a couple of minutes ago. There clearly seems to be a case of where people come in without confirmed tickets, without having confirmed bookings, expecting some last-minute accommodation. So now it seems like they're trying to put a stop to that and ensure that only people who have tickets, only confirmed passengers are making it to the station, and others are, they're stopped from coming in and crowding the platforms.
Absolutely. Of course, that is an important point that has been made from you, Dharmjot. But thank you so much for bringing all the latest coming on air. And of course, we'll be tracking whatever investigations we see that comes out of this whole incident.